You want them too thick? You want thick or thin?
I think these are thick.
Yeah, because if you're going to smash it in somebody's face, you want that shit thick.
Well, you
right?
don't want to hurt him.
Smashed potatoes, Jeffrey. You ever seen them before?
That's why you call them smashed
like
potatoes.
this.
You
Like,
smash it in people's faces.
like, what is an Idahoan?
Huh?
Somebody from Idaho, dude.
So you want to know the game plan?
Potatoes.
You guys want to know the game plan?
These aren't potatoes. This is like, you just put
That is
powder
potatoes.
in like water.
It's powdered potato, dehydrated potatoes.
It's like protein powder, Jeffrey. You know, you put that in like fucking milk.
Yeah, it's not like I put like freaking powder and then it turns into a pizza or anything. This is like, this used to feed this crap to us.
This is what you ate as
potatoes.
kids. This is what you ate.
This is what you're made out of.
Yeah.
Clearly.
Unfortunately, yeah.
Dude.
Face.
I know.
Come on, we get back to
broke
Oh
200.
my
Can we
goodness.
get back to what's
broke
playing
200.
tonight? Look, Aunt Jackie called and said Uncle Larry called her.
Aunt Larry?
Aunt Larry, yeah.
Oh,
I had a few
dang.
beers, I'm good. So, but no, Uncle Larry called Aunt Jackie and said they're going to be doing the prank tomorrow on you.
What?
Okay? So, what we're doing was preemptive strike. So, we're going to be doing the prank on them tonight.
Wait, where is Aunt Jackie?
Aunt Jackie's sick. Conveniently sick, I might add.
Oh.
I can't
With
do
what?
a call. I can't do a FaceTime.
The spoon?
No, I would not want to put that in my
That's
body.
probably why
Well,
she's
you've done it
sick.
since you were, what, 2 years old? We
Yeah.
put that in your format.
Now look at me.
Right.
I got a dad bod.
You got a 12
Oh.
pack?
Yeah.
Right.
All right, so look, she says she's sick.
When's the last
Well,
time
still
you
doing
cooked
it.
dinner? By
It's
the
a
way?
little
I
sketchy.
was sick though. I
It's a
might have
little
gave it to her
sketchy.
when I was here.
I don't know. She said she has a headache and she's throwing up. So
Oh God.
No, I don't want
I don't know. I'm taking her for her word.
She's
But
probably
she
at Uncle
was
Larry.
supposed
She's probably
to-
at Uncle Larry's right now.
Right, that's what I'm
This
saying.
was
She's
her
setting us
idea.
up.
Yeah,
This was
pooping
her
herself
idea.
in Uncle Larry's
Okay?
toilet.
Right.
So listen, you're each going to grab silly string, and then we're going to go over there.
Because now we got like 4 cans
Wait,
apiece.
man, who bought that?
Huh,
And Jackie bought that.
I just like the idea of Aunt Jackie going to like some
Damn.
Party City or
Right.
like.
What, we got an octopus going with us?
Yeah,
We got
give me everything you got on the shelf.
So, yeah, conveniently, Aunt Jackie set this all up and then is not here. So I think she's setting up
Were
some
those
prank.
disinfected
This is
though?
like 5 pounds.
Were they
good.
disinfected?
Huh? No, they came in a bag.
It's not silly string, by the way. It's
no,
crazy
I opened
string.
them up.
Yeah, should we?
So,
Well, isn't that the
it isn't
same
like they're
thing?
I don't know.
I feel like we
And
need
I
to be
don't
rubbing
know if
sanitizer.
the different color caps mean that's the color of the string.
I would
or
imagine,
it's all
man.
multicolored.
I would imagine
When you're
it's the
doing
color.
pranks, I don't think you guys you
I would
overthink
think-
things.
I'm trying to get it in people's
No.
mouths.
You what?
I'm trying to get the string in people's
No, don't
mouths.
do
Oh,
that.
okay.
Why not?
Okay, so here's the plan.
I'm gunning for Tom.
Totally hear you.
Oh my God, you guys can't focus.
Hey, you wanted our help. You dime us out.
Right.
You throw us out to dry, so I don't know what you
Why do I
expect.
throw you out to dry? I don't throw anybody out
You
to
had
dry.
me and Jeffrey go drop Aunt Jackie off, and we
That's
weren't even in
because
this
that was the
mess.
convenience. You volunteered to take your
I
car.
walked through briar bushes.
It's like 2 feet of briars bushes.
Did you get some ice cream? Did you get some Briar's ice cream for Dad from those bushes?
Absolutely not. He only eats
Guys,
vanilla.
let's
Money
not
fries,
lose
that's-
sight of what the mission is here and why.
Why are you
we're
saying
doing this.
mission?
We're going after you next.
Hey,
Hey, you get that hand off that hip.
Right. That means she means business, because I know. When I see
Listen.
that hand on the hip,
We have to do this tonight, or you're going to get it
yeah,
tomorrow.
do you want to be pranked tomorrow?
This sounds-
No. So we're going to do it
All right.
tonight as a team,
And
right?
remember,
Yeah, I guess.
you know what? Joe is the one who was on camera taking my gnome.
He had a wig.
Joe had something to do with his car keys on my gnome
Right.
in my room.
I agree.
And he had to have something to do with the ring being on the same
He's
gnome.
the only one that had
I
it, and
think
plus
he's
he was the
behind
main
whole
character
thing.
in that stinking thing out there.
I think you
with the
give
wig
Joe
on and
too much
everything,
credit.
And the husky fella that was with him.
No, we know he was out there.
We all know
It was
Joe's
on
just a
our
lackey for Uncle Larry
And he's a
anyway.
No, I don't think so. I
No,
think he's the
he's-
mastermind. I
he's
think
a wacky.
No,
Yeah.
I think he's the puppet master and Uncle Larry's the puppet. I really do think that.
He's a
I
fast.
think,
He's
I
a
think
very
Joe
fast
puppets
talker
him
too.
and Tom.
So what, he's like Littlefinger or something?
Right.
He's
And I think Kevin kisses Joe's ass all the time too. What, right?
All right, let me get-
Aren't they always together?
Hey, okay.
Kevin's quiet. I don't trust
yeah,
him.
I don't know.
I never
How
trust the
quiet
quiet
he is.
person.
Kevin's cool.
He's too quiet though.
Yeah, he's good.
But don't you think Joe manipulates things, you know, with his humor,
Probably.
the way he
I mean,
reads stuff?
Not too far off from you guys manipulating us to do stuff, but
That's
hey.
good. That's what we do. But we're
Oh.
parents. We ask you to do it, and you
help us.
guys should jump.
Don't you want to help us?
Only because they're coming after me. I don't like that.
I think if just
What's
because
that
they're coming
sound?
after you, you'd be more eager to do this.
Hey, I'm down.
So
I'm
here,
down.
what we're gonna do?
Red and blue.
You're gonna have to make some kind of call to Joe to tell him something that's going on, so he comes outside. All right?
Me?
Yeah.
Me? The guy who
Has
in the
a text
poster?
and he loves you.
toke up outside of Clark's house?
That's what that Jeffrey looks like right there. Toked, all toked.
No, that looks like Jeffrey that has like a disease.
Yeah, because
Yeah, he looked. Yeah, that was pretty rough.
Gilbert syndrome. Tell you about it later.
I specifically asked for that photo to be on the post.
Okay, so when we go, I'm sorry. So when we go there, you're gonna have to shoot him a text and say something. I don't know, come up with an idea like, you know.
Hey, it's Jeffrey. Let me deal you something outside the house.
You should also
I
send
don't think you'll buy it.
him like a spider's web emoji with it too, as like a little like
Why
foreshadowing
don't you just
for
say
him.
his car door's open or something? You rode by there going to Heritage's to get me ice cream.
Ask him if he's seen the new Spider-Man movie, and just to
There's the Doctor Strange movie.
yeah, I don't know if it says it makes sense with the string. That was the whole gag, but
So, but you got to get him
Right.
outside. So I think it's telling him his car door's open or something out there. And then what we'll do is when he comes out, there's.
well, what if he comes out and then his car door's not open, and then it's like, well, then he just goes back inside.
No,
Right.
somebody has to open his car.
Well, what if
door.
his car's
We'll
locked?
set it up. It's okay.
Well, what if his car's locked?
Well, that may be our problem. So if we get there and the car door's locked, then we're screwed.
Who locks their car in Pittsburgh?
Okay.
Jesus.
Jeffrey's got the
Jesus
floor.
Christ.
What?
You know, okay.
Remember Uncle Larry's house all the cars got broken into? Somebody went in and took all the change out?
Yeah.
Why don't that be the case? I see somebody that's not him breaking into his car. And then, oh, wow, I have to go in my car to make sure all of my...
That could work too.
Paraphernalia
Just
wasn't
ideas
stolen.
we're trying to throw out there.
So you saw somebody robbing and then you didn't do anything. You're just like, yo, you should probably go look at that.
Oh, no, that's not my problem.
Oh, okay.
Are you talking about doing something different? Is that what you're saying?
No, I'm saying...
Yo, that was mine. Yeah.
Take that one.
I want red and blue.
Another one, the same one.
Car as opposed to, oh, my car door's open. Huh, no, it's not. I go back inside.
All right, let's
What
just.
if you told him there was a handle of Tito's in the car? You know,
Why
he'd come
would-
out for that.
Yeah, but why would I leave him a handle of Tito's?
No, I'm saying you.
First of all,
I'm just coming out with
First of
ideas.
all, you're going to be You're going to say you drove by or something.
Just
and
tell
you
him his
saw
car
that
door's
car
open and the
door
light was on when you went by. It's that easy.
Or
Why
just-
would that make it so
Is
hard?
the car door going to be open?
Just say come
open.
outside.
Open it.
Why did you say that? Thank you.
I did say that.
Oh my God, I'm getting a freaking headache.
Just say something, anything.
Right, we'll figure something when we get there. All right.
Can we just like wing
What if
this?
the car door's locked?
Well, we got it. We have to drag our feet.
Hey, I already said it.
because the
Can we-
potatoes
If
got
it's
pulled out.
locked, we'll cross that bridge when we come to
Can we
it.
just F these people up already? Can we just go do it?
Yes, I got my four.
Who
How
cares
many
if he
you
comes
have?
outside? Who cares if anyone comes
You
outside?
only
We can,
got two. Do you got four? You got
We
two
can-
more in your pocket.
Ma, we can just go inside. His door's always unlocked. We just go in there and just like spray
Or we could
string
do
everywhere.
that too. Why are
It
you
doesn't
taking-
matter.
I got four. What are you taking my two for? What are you giving me?
Because if they're different colors.
No, this isn't. Why
Oh,
are we
wait a
doing
minute.
this?
They have seals on them. We're going to have to take all the seals
you
off.
We can do that on the
Bust that
way.
shit
We
off.
can do that on the way. Come on, let's do this.
You got the
Ed.
keys, You're driving.
come on.
You got potatoes?
All right, focus. All right, let's go.
Wait,
Oh, what the? Oh, are we
on three.
doing?
On three.
Oh.
What are we going to say?
Say, wait, what? What are we? Why are we saying anything?
On three.
Why do we have to say something?
Oh,
We're gonna
okay.
say-
I just thought we were like, yeah.
One,
Woogity
two,
woogity.
three.
Jesus.
That was so damn goofy.
Wait, who's driving?
Your mom.
I'm not driving again. Should we wait till it's
Who's
like?
driving?
Should we wait till it's like night, or is this?
No, this is good.
You sure?
Bye, Luna. Bye. Luna likes silly string.
Tuna fish. She wanted potatoes.
Aren't we going to lock this door?
I'm right behind
I'm just gonna
you, baby.
shoot it at Tom if I see him, just
Okay.
cause.
Honestly, yeah, just throw the can.
I feel like he'd appreciate it.
Yeah. Hey, Tom, catch.
Got him.
Appreciate it.
Yeah, I think he would. He loves this stuff. Always did as a kid.
Oh, we need to close those double doors.
They'll be fine.
What if we leave and then Aunt Jackie like sneaks over here and like destroys your whole garden or something?
That'd be so great. You said she's sick, right? Legitimately sick?
Did you
Well,
talk to
I
her?
didn't see her, but she didn't sound sick, but
Well, I hope you didn't see her.
I mean, really,
What am I? Yeah,
when you
what
have a
am I supposed
headache
to-
and you're sick to your stomach, how are you supposed to sound?
Oh, never mind.
You good with it with the plan now?
yeah.
Focus.
Yeah.
All right, we got everything?
God!
Yeah, that's all I
You guys
need.
were always focused before, now you're not.